Yes, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. How are you
Good
all?
afternoon, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine,
How are
thank
you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Okay, so children, we'll start with the equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? Last class we have discussed. Who can tell me? Yes, Agni.
Fractions that denote the same part of a word.
Okay, fraction that represent the same part of the whole. And we learned cross multiplication. Do you remember?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
cross multiplication? We have to multiply the numerator of the first fraction by the denominator of the second.
Denominator.
Okay, cross one numerator, one denominator. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, why we are cross multiplying for what?
To identify
Check if
equal.
To check,
equivalent.
to check whether the given to check whether the given fractions are equivalent. Okay. Now, children, all of you, please take out your workbook, page number check 7.
7. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, page number 7. We'll read one by one. Okay. Chinmay, read question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 1. Book, part 2, page number 7. It's not audible. Page number 7, question number 1. Fractions 1. Did you get the page? It's not audible. Anandesh, question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
The multiples of a number are obtained by dash 1, 2, 3, and so on.
Okay. How you will get the multiples of a number?
Multiplying.
By multiplying. Multiples we will get by multiplying by 1, 2, 3, etc. In our factors and multiples, we have found out the multiples by multiplying the numbers by 1, 2, 3, etc. So option B. Children, question number 1. Which is the option?
Option B.
B. Okay. After some time, I will write these answers on the board.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number 2. Blesswin. Blesswin is getting the page. Page number 7. Page number 7, question number 2. Read the question.
The factor of 7 are 1 and
Factors of
14.
7. Huh?
Factors.
Factors of 7. Yeah, I'm not asking multiples. Multiples means you have to multiply by 1, 2, 3, etc. Factors. The highest factor is the number itself. So, yes, Brightly.
7 is a prime number.
7 is a prime number. Brightly.
Can I say?
1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Yeah. What is the factor? What are the factors of 7? What are the factors of 7?
Can I tell?
Wait. Factors of 7.
Can
7
I
is
tell?
a prime number. 7
Can
is a
I tell?
1 and 7 itself. Okay. Yes. So children, prime numbers means we have only 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. Multiples is unlimited. We can by multiple 1, 2, 3 multiply by any number. But factors are limited and the highest factor will be the number itself. So which is answer? Option? A. Option A, 7. Children, understood? Is there any doubt in that?
No.
No, because here these factors means the highest factor means the number itself. We will
Yes, ma'am.
multiply 1 into 7, 7. And there are no other numbers because that is a prime number. Understood? Okay,
Yes.
Ammu, question number 3.
The numbers that divide a given number exactly are called X.
The numbers, if the numbers can be divided exactly. What are that called?
Factors. Factors.
Yes, very good. Factors.
Factors.
Now I will, some children joined late. I will write all these answers in the, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. On the board, I am going to write all the answers. Some children, they have joined late. And question number 1, we are doing now page number 7. Page number 7. Question number 1. The multiples of a numbers are obtained by multiplying. 1 minute, I will clear again and write. Question number 1. What's the option of question number 1? That is B.
B.
B. Any that multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying by 1, 2, 3, etc. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Question number 2, option A.
A.
Question number 3.
D.
The numbers that divide a given number exactly are called its factors. That is option D.
D.
Okay.
C.
Now I will ask one by one. All of you please mute. Okay, Gautam. Read the next question. Question number 4.
To check if two factoration are
Fractions. To check if two fractions. Okay. Read. Equivalent. To check if two fractions are equivalent, what we have to do? Cross multiply. Very good. We learned today. To check whether the given fractions are equivalent, we have to cross multiply. That is option C. Okay. Which is the next one? Question number 5. Richard, read.
Option.
Question number 5.
Ma'am, question number 5.
5.
Which
Yes.
of the following is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 2?
Which is an equivalent fraction of 1 by 2?
4.
2 by 4. Very good. Can you tell by which number we can multiply to get 2 by 4? Yes, Richard. 1 by 2 is multiplied by? Multiplied by which number?
1 will be multiplied by 4 and 2 will be multiplied by 2.
If you are, that is cross multiply you are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
2. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4.
2 is 4.
So, okay, Richard, the question, how we can make equivalent fraction by multiplying by equal number on the top and bottom. So if you multiply by 2 and 2, you will get 2 by 4. To check whether the, wait. To check whether they are equivalent, you can cross multiply. Yes? Okay. Question number 6. I will ask one by one. Children, read next one. Who can read? Okay, Manu, read question number.
the cross product of 2 by 3 and 4 by 5.
2 by 3 and 4 by 5. What is the cross product? See, numerator and denominator of the second one. So, which is option is correct? 2 into 5.
And 3 into 4.
2 into 5 and 3 into 4. Which is that option?
C.
Very good, very good.
C.
All the children, please. Okay. You have to multiply the numerator of the first and denominator of the second, and denominator of the first and numerator of the second. So option C is correct. Okay. Next one, John Sebi, question number 7. John. John, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 7.
If the cross products are equal,
I can see the board.
and fractions are dash.
Who cannot see the board?
Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu. What's the problem?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of?
Wait. All the children, please wait. Okay. Abhimanyu, I'm going to share one more time. Please check. Okay. What's the answer, John? If the
No,
cross
sir,
products
no.
are equal, the given fractions are. If the cross products are equal.
Ma'am, equal fraction.
Equivalent. Okay. If the products are equal, the given fractions are equivalent. Equivalent. Okay. Question number 8.
My equivalent fraction we can write.
Huh?
Ma'am, we can write equivalent fraction.
The given the fractions are equivalent. Okay.
Equivalent fraction.
Equivalent fraction also same. No problem.
And
Okay.
next
Devak. Question number 8. Devak.
Ma'am, no. Can I say?
1 minute. Let me see whether what's the problem. Yes, Devak. Unmute and read. Unmute. Devak.
Ma'am, can I?
What's happened?
Ma'am, can I?
All are. I'm not muted anyone. Devak.
Ma'am, can I?
It is on. Wait, Anthony.
Ma'am, can
Yes, Devak, not able to read. Why? Please unmute. Question number 8. Now Devak is ready. Yes, Devak.
Fractions that denote the same part of a dash are called
Equivalent fractions.
fractions.
That denote the same part of a.
Ma'am, can I say? Can I say?
Ma'am, can I
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Anthony.
Whole.
Whole. It's a part.
Whole part.
Whole means WHOLE. Fractions that denote the same part of a whole, that is known as equivalent fractions. Adil. Question number 9. Next one. Adil.
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Question number 9.
In cross multiplication, we multiply dash of fraction by the
Denominator of the other.
denominator of the other.
So how will multiply in the cross multiplication? We multiply. Wait, Anthony. How we will multiply cross multiplication?
Can I?
Wait. So how we can multiply, children? How we will do cross multiplication? Numerator. Okay. Numerator and denominator of the other. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So all of you can write.
Ma'am, is it no, ma'am?
Numerator.
Yes, ma'am, that.
Numerator of the fraction by the denominator of the other fraction. Okay. So you have to write numerator.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
should write anything other.
No need. Numerator only you can write.
Okay, ma'am.
So in cross multiplication, we multiply the numerator of a fraction by the denominator of the other.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Isha. Question number 10.
Yes,
Ma'am, can I say them?
Wait, children. Isha.
Question number 10, right?
10. Yes.
Are the fractions 3 by 4 and 9 by 8 equivalent?
Equivalent. Children, multiply in your mind and tell me.
Can I say?
3 into 8, 9 into 4.
No,
Are they equal?
No.
No. No. Okay.
You
So
can
children, you can write question number 10.
No.
No. Then you can write below that on the same line. You can write the steps. How we will? You can show the answer 3 by 4 and 9 by 8. Cross multiply and write the answer. 3 into 8. What is 3 into 8?
24.
It is not equal to 9 into 4.
Ma'am, only one line is
Only for one. We have only one line.
I know only one line you can write. Straight.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you
And
write,
we can write only no.
you can write only no, but that is very short answer. But you can write here what
But
3
I-
into 8 is 24,
Ma'am, but I
not
wrote
equal to 36. If you want only this final step, that also okay. 24 is not equal to 36. If you write the final step only, then also okay.
And where should we write this? Where should you write?
Question number 10 in the same line, straight you can write
Okay,
no.
ma'am.
So the answer is no. But we are writing like 3 into 8. In the mind you can multiply. 24 not equal to 24 is not equal to
24 is not equal to
36. Okay, write any pair of equivalent fractions which will have 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 6 into 1 equal to 6 as cross product.
Ma'am, can you share the screen once more? I didn't understand. Ma'am, that question.
Ma'am,
11th question.
Okay. Children, please wait.
2 into 3 and 4 into 6.
Here we can write only no. And 24 is not equal to 36. If you don't want to write, okay. Okay, children. Now I'm going to show you one video. All of you, please stop writing now. Question number 11 we can write later. So what we are going to see? Equivalent fractions. Okay, equivalent fractions. And as usual, if you cannot hear some sound, everything will be everything they will write it on the board. Okay, so children, please wait.
All are of the same size, but each rectangle has been divided into different number of parts. The fractions
One.
for the shaded region of each rectangle are as follows. Half of the rectangle is yellow. 2/4 of the rectangle is yellow. 3/6 of the rectangle is yellow. 4/8 of the rectangle is yellow. 5/10
Manu, can you
of the
hear the sound,
rectangle
Manu?
is yellow.
Unmute and
Ma'am,
speak.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Here, half,
So children, if any
2/4,
echo or something is there, you can see
3/6,
everything they are writing or
4/8 and
drawing on the board. Okay.
5/10 all represent half part of the whole rectangle. These fractions are called equivalent fractions. Thus, we say two or more fractions that show the same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions. That is, half is equal to 2/4 is equal to 3/6 is equal to 4/8 is equal to 5/10. Let us see how we can obtain the equivalent fractions of a given fraction. When we multiply the numerator and the denominator of a given fraction by the same number, we obtain its equivalent fractions. Now, let us solve an example to understand it in a better way. Find the equivalent fractions of 3/4. Let us multiply the numerator and the denominator of the fraction with the number 2. We get 3 into 2 upon 4 into 2, which is equal to 6 upon 8. Next, let us multiply with number 5. We get 3 into 5 upon 4 into 5, which is equal to 15 upon 20. Multiplying with number 7, we get 3 into 7 upon 4 into 7, which is equal to 21 upon 28. Multiplying with 8, we get 3 into 8 upon 4 into 8, which is equal to 24 upon 32. Thus, 6 upon 8, 15 upon 20, 21 upon 28, 24 upon 32 are few equivalent fractions of 3 upon 4. We can also find out if two fractions are equivalent or not by cross multiplying. If both the products are equal, then they are equivalent fractions. Let us see a few examples. Example 1. 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 10. Here we cross multiply the numbers. That is, we multiply 2 and 10 and 5 and 4. We know 2 into 10 is equal to 20 and 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Here, both the products are equal. Thus, 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 10 are equivalent fractions. We write it as 2 upon 5 is equivalent to 4 upon 10. Now, let us see another example. 4 upon 7 and 8 upon 21. Here, on cross multiplying the numbers, we get 4 into 21 is equal to 84 and 7 into 8 is equal to 56. Here, both the products are different. Thus, 4 upon 7 and 8 upon 21 are not equivalent fractions. We write it as 4 upon 7 is not equivalent to 8 upon 21. Kids, remember, after cross multiplying, if both the products are equal, then they are equivalent fractions. If both the products are not equal, then they are not equivalent fractions.
Okay, so children, will do you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, so what we learned?
Clear.
It was video. It was very perfect.
Video is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. There was some cracking. Others were little.
Maybe because the network was proper today. That's why. Okay, but when I was showing this in 5C, there was echoing. They were, I think, because of the network. If the network is okay, we can clear. Even if we cannot able to hear properly, everything they are writing. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we can see whether. So, in what are the things they said? If the when you multiply or cross multiply, if the products are equal, then we can say that two fractions are equivalent. They are
Equivalent.
not equal. They are not equivalent. Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer of 11th one.
Okay. Question number 11. Now we can continue.
1 into 3 and 2 into 3. 1 by 3 and 2 by 3.
6. 2 by 3. 1 by 3 and 2 by 6.
1 by 3 and 2 by 3.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
we
children,
can
1 by
two.
3 and 2 by 6 is the answer of question
Ma'am.
number 11.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can write 2 by 6 and 1 by 3.
Yes, we can write 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. So children, I will write the answer on the board now. So here, the answer is, we can write 2, 1 minute. So we can write 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. That is question number 11. So the question is, write any pair of equivalent fractions which will have 2 into 3. So when you write 2 by 6 and 1 by 3, how you can write the cross multiply? 2 multiplied by 3. So first it's better you write 2 by 6. And how you can take another one? 6 into 1. 6 into 1. So how you can write? 2 into 3 should be here. So the first fraction will be 2 by 6. And next one is 6 into 1. So how you can write 6 into 1? Here we can write 1 by 3. 2 into 3, 6 into 1. So these two are the fractions. So question number 11, how you can write? 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. Okay. Next one, Madhav. Oh, okay, 1 minute. Next question.
Ma'am, can you share screen once more? I didn't hear.
Ma'am, I have the 11th question.
Question number 11.
Ma'am,
Ah,
yes, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, the cross multiplication should be 2 into 3.
Ah, the question is 2
Compulsory.
into 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Read the question 2 into 3 no. So 2 should be in the numerator of the first and 3 should be in the denominator of the second. Okay. And the next one is 6 into 1. So 6 should be the denominator of the first and 1 should be the numerator of the second.
So what is the answer of question 11, ma'am?
Huh?
What is the answer of question 11?
That is written on the board. 1 minute. If you want to write, I will write again. 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. This is the answer. I was explaining the question. The question is what? Write any pair of equivalent fraction which will have that. This is the question I am writing. No need to write. 2 into 3. So here how you can cross multiply 2 into 3.
Ma'am, I told that the 2 into 3 and 6 into 1, we need to write that.
You have to write the fraction. Yes. No need to write the product anything. Only write this 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. Okay. I think we have time to write one more question. Madhav, are you ready? Madhav?
Yes,
Question number 12?
And that is over.
12. We have time.
That is over.
I'm only 3
Madhav,
more
12.
minutes.
Read fast.
Are the fractions 5 by 15 and 2 by 6?
Yes.
Are they equal?
Yes,
Yes. We know 6 into 5,
2 by 6 is equal. 30 is the answer.
30. 6 into 5 is 30. 15
Yes,
into
ma'am.
2 is 30. Okay. So write that now.
ma'am.
Yes. The answer is question number 12.
Question.
Question number 12. The answer is yes. If you write the step, you will get confused. But no problem. But how you can write in the same line?
The same step.
Same line you can continue. 5 into 15, which is the fraction 5 into 15 and 2 into 6. So 2 by 6, you can write like this. 5 into 6 is equal to 15 multiplied by 2. What's the answer? 30. 30 is equal to 30. If you want, you can write only these two steps. 5 into 6 is equal to 15 into 2.
Ma'am, I only wrote 30 is equal to
30 is equal to 30. Then also, okay, this is very short answer. And the question is, are the fractions equivalent? So it is yes or no question. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Shilan. So, what, Angela?
Ma'am, can you give the 13th question have homework?
We will do next day. I will give you homework. Okay. So today we have started this new chapter. So we can do question these questions. Yes.
Ma'am, can I share the board one more?
Attendance. Okay. Now I have done the attendance.
Ma'am, board, ma'am, board. He told the board.
That I can hear, and Harsha told me that attendance. Okay. So here Adinath is there, Agnay. Children, please say the attendance. Agnay,
Present,
Alim,
ma'am.
Alim,
No.
Adil, Amna, Ammu.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute.
Present, ma'am.
Children, can you hear me properly? Say
Yes,
louder.
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
can hear you.
Amna, Ananda, Anandesh,
Present, ma'am.
Angelina,
Present, ma'am.
Anina.
Ma'am, Angelina is present.
Yes, I can hear. Anthony, Ayman, Bharadwaj
Present,
is there.
ma'am.
Bharadwaj. I didn't see Bharadwaj. He's absent, I think. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Brightlin, Catherine,
Present, ma'am.
Catherine.
Catherine is absent. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am,
Christo, Devak, Dia, Isha,
Present, ma'am.
Sarfia.
Ma'am, Christy is present.
Christo, I can see. Okay.
Ma'am, Daniel is present.
I can see that.
Ma'am,
Anushya,
Priya is absent.
Harsha is there. John, Madhav, Nandita,
Ma'am,
Pranav.
Dida is present, ma'am.
These children,
Ma'am,
I
Adarsh
know
is present.
that I am ticking. Okay, faster.
Ma'am, Adarsh is present.
Pranav,
Ma'am, Dida is present.
yes. Richard,
Madhav is
Rohit,
present.
Srihari, Manu. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, so children, I can see all these children, and Tanya is not there. Tanya.
No, ma'am, she is
No,
not
ma'am.
attending any of the class.
Okay. Okay. So children, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.